Ready? Oh, dude.
He's a real beaut, Clark.
Real beaut, Clark. What is up, YouTube? We cooked up a T-bone roast on the Grizzly Rotisserie outside on a cherry wood fire. We got poblanos, some corn and foil. We got a nice shiitake mushroom gravy coming up too. What a great day outside. Check this stuff out. All right, so today we're cooking on the Grizzly Outdoor Rotisserie. We picked the windiest day of the summer, so it's gonna be amazing, right? So outdoor rotisserie, it's a portable rotisserie made for like outdoor bonfires, fire pits. 2 double D batteries in the engine right here, right? Don't smash it or you'll dent your battery door and have to pull the screws out for it. 2 pieces right here. This is where the engine fits. This is where the other piece of the spick fits. Right here. Put your meat in the middle. Did I say meat? Put your meat, your protein in the middle. Clamp it, and it's going to be amazing. So today we're doing T-bone. It's going to be wicked. Oh, yeah. T-bone. All right, so we got our nice T-bone here. See the bone? This is gonna be awesome. We have not done one of these on the outdoor rotisserie. If you'll see, pretty good size kind of fat cap on it. I think I'm gonna trim some of that off and go to the hospital. Losing some meat there. All right, see, look at that. That's all pure fat. Not that it's not good for the meat, but we don't need that much on it. No cherry wood smoke will get into the meat if you got fat on it because it won't absorb it. We'll make it tender, but we'll handle that. All we're gonna do right now is olive oil the whole thing, and then we're gonna use a salt, pepper, garlic rub. Very basic. This blend we use right here, it's nothing crazy, but it's the perfect ratios of flavorness. Super amazing good. And honestly, you can buy it pre-made. It's really tasty. So olive oil the whole thing. Smell that flavor goodness! All right, so now we're gonna ram our meat. You got your ram. All right, see how the hooks go right in too? Insert tab B into slot C. Engage. Man. I know, I'm a 3-year-old. Okay, so we're good to go. Hook this up on the Grizzly Rotisserie. Wow, wow. All right, check it out. We got coals ripping right here. Cherry wood smoldering. Threw it on about 15 minutes ago after I had a nice bed of coals. You don't want a lot of fire, just want the smoke. You want to perfume the meat. Engage. All right, update. We've been on for like an hour, hour and a half. Check this thing out. Oh my God, ready? Look, I've added some Fobo charcoal. I love this stuff. I'm not sponsored, but it's amazing. A little bit more cherry wood, but check this thing out. Wicked, right? So we have a little more time. You gotta temp it. Make sure you want to get to like 125, 130. You want to get to medium rare. Make sure you pull it off right. It's looking really nice. And we're gonna carve it off the bone, slice it up. We gotta finish it a little bit on the grill. We will. What the hell was that? We got some corn, some poblanos, and a shiitake mushroom gravy coming up. Check this out, shiitake mushroom gravy. Shiitake mushrooms, salt, pepper, garlic, a little bit of beef stock, blend it up. Perfect. All right, now all we're gonna do is hit it with a little bit of beef stock and let it finish off. Almost ready to cut the meat. Corn's ready. Poblanos are ready. Boom. Oh yeah, brother. Check this out. Oh my God. Wicked. It's just meaty goodness. Can't see. Oh my God. Ready? Oh, dude.
It's a real beaut, Clark.
Real beaut, Clark.
Nice.
Like, subscribe. What up? We're gonna eat some food and love it. Peace.